Hi, I'm Kai, and in today's video we want to have a look where this equal sign in your reports comes from. As you can expect, there is a setting in EPLAN, and I will show you how you can change it or how you can replace it with some other characters, and I show you a small tip how you can jump from your report directly to your multi-line drawing. So stay tuned.
So we have here a report, a cable diagram, and you can see on the left side is the function text, enclosure light 1, and you have this equal sign here, and this is something we want to change so that the function text is shown also for the other conductors. And to jump to the cable, we go with the mouse over the conductor, press the control button, and then you see that you get this little finger and you can click and jump directly to your drawing. And here you can see that this cable has one function text, which should be the same for all the three cores. And now we have a look in the settings where this comes from. So we go to File and Setting. And here we go first to Reports and Display and Output. And here you see Replace Identical Text by the equal sign. So we can also change this. And when we click Apply and OK and update our report, you see that you get now shown what you have inserted there. But if you want to have the function text here, we go back to the settings. There is another setting. Therefore, we go to Management and here to Compatibility. And we need to uncheck here the checkbox for reports, replace identical function text. So when we click here, apply and OK, and update our report, you get now the function text. And now have a look where this setting is as well. So therefore we open the report. I have opened this here. So this is another report. It's a cable diagram. And when we go here to Insert, Forms, and when we add here a placeholder text, you can set here the checkbox, set this text should be replaced by identical text. This needs to be activated to get this function. Otherwise, it will show always the same text.
If you have further questions about reports, please write a comment. I would be happy about a like for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. I recommend you to watch this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.